So for my game-based learning, I chose MobyMax, and I chose this because my goal is to be a K through 6 special education teacher. And one of the features that I think is really appealing about MobyMax is you can create adaptive lessons and cater it towards different IEPs. And what I like that they point out here is that IEPs don't just have to be for special education. You can create these programs for any student. You're able to give students different badges and you can create contests. Something else I thought was cool was the behavior vibes. So while a student might be at their desk working on the computer, if you see them off task, you can still send them like a little reminder without calling them out for misbehaving. And I think that's good because then you're kind of taking away like some of the pressure from a student that might have behavioral issues, but still correcting the behavior at the same time. Another thing that I like about MobyMax is that it is for any course, so like reading, writing, math, etc. And it's also has different assessments, learning tools. It's interactive, and as well as the data. So you can go ahead on here and then collect different data on your students and then refine your next assignment on MobyMax based upon the data collected. And not just with MobyMax, you can use that data for offline assignments as well. So that was the reason why I chose this game-based learning.